Hello guys and welcome to LX Hub YouTube channel. Another day, another tutorial from LX Hub Engineering Department. In the previous tutorial, ginamit natin ang LX Hub very own Bluetooth controller app upang makontrol ang ating Bluetooth-enabled Sumobot gamit ang accelerometer controller. Check the description below for the download link. Ang LX Hub's Bluetooth controller app offer 5 types of controller: arrow keys, buttons and sliders, accelerometer, voice commands, joystick. Ngayon naman ay gagamitin natin ang voice command controller for this project. The voice command controller recognizes, interprets, and executes speech commands from users. This allows hands-free interaction with the Bluetooth-enabled Sumobot by converting the detected speech or word into actionable commands. After downloading and installing the LX Hub Bluetooth controller app, open the app and connect your phone to your Bluetooth-enabled Sumobot. Proceed to the settings located at the upper right corner. Scroll down until you see the Vocal Commands tab. Click the Vocal Commands configuration. Click the command slot to set the word to be recognized and the corresponding value to be sent. Forward to send an uppercase letter F. Backward to send an uppercase letter B. Turn left to send an uppercase letter L. Turn right to send an uppercase letter R. Proceeding to loop function, check if there's a serial data available. If there is a serial data received from the Bluetooth controller app using the voice command controller, assign the received serial data in a variable and check if there's a matching command. Assign the functions to be called based on the voice command configuration on the Bluetooth controller app. These lines of code are to stop the motors to avoid non-stop movement. After compiling and uploading the sketch, go to the voice command controller to remotely control the voice-controlled Sumobot. Forward, backward, turn right. Turn left, turn left, turn left, turn right, turn right, turn right, turn right, turn right, forward, backward, turn right. Dito na nagtatapos ang ating project. Sana marami kayong natutunan sa tutorial na ito. To learn more, subscribe to LX Hub YouTube channel. Hanggang sa muli, paalam!